Alright guys, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
On today's episode, we got a new build for the channel. We're done with the GT500 Mustang. It came out really nice. We're super excited about it, but we're done and we need to get something else. So we got something that's really fast, really cool, nice color to it, and it's gonna be a fun build.
Yeah, for sure.
Super excited about it, guys.
Oh yeah.
But unfortunately, it's far away. We had to do a road trip, and we bought something else. We bought a boat. So this time we got the Hellcat from Iaai, and we got a boat from Copart. So we're excited, guys. I hope you guys are gonna be excited about it. We're gonna do a lot of stuff to it. It's gonna be a fun build. It was a long road trip. We had some problems with the truck, but you guys will see. And we got to meet somebody. Big shout out to him. But stay tuned for the video and see what we did.
All right, everybody. We have another giveaway for you. Just check out this custom Hellcat logo sign. It looks amazing. You have a chance to win. Just go ahead and comment Hellcat in the bottom of this video and hope you get it. And also, we actually have 2 more. So if you didn't win the first time, don't worry. There's 3 chances this time. All right, the details will be in the bottom of the description. Hope you get it.
Jersey to New York. Traffic. Look at this. 410 Jeep. Oh man.
Say a few words.
Got 2 red keys.
All right.
Heck yeah, man. That's double the power, right?
It is.
No, heck yeah, guys. Check out this 2016 Dodge Hellcat. I mean, this is sick, guys.
And the forklift driver was nice.
The forklift driver was very nice. The motors were very nice. All right, let's load it up because we gotta go.
All right.
Alright guys, so we're here in Massachusetts. Here's the Hellcat. You guys seen it? It's got front end damage, it's got rear end damage, it's got damage everywhere. But it's still Hellcat, and it's purple. What do you guys think about the color? Also, we got a new build. We're probably not gonna do videos on it, but I bought me another boat. Boats are cool. Got a really good deal on this one. Added to my collection of boats, I guess. The wife doesn't like it, but you know. Comes with free snow. And no trailer. Well, looks like we're gonna be spending the night here. The truck is having issues. The DPF pump went out or something like that. We barely made it here. So we're gonna spend tomorrow trying to fix the truck. But check out the Hellcat. Look at that. It's got some sticky tires right in the back. With its color, so nice. Check out that headlight. And check out the Duramax, guys. They said buy Duramax, sell the Ford. I don't know, Ford's still running, and the Duramax is broken now. Alright guys, so this is next morning. I did a couple of research on the truck, what it could be. So I think we got a game plan. We got to get a couple of resistors or something. But stay tuned to see what we're going to do.
Yeah.
What's going on? You guys? No, I'm just joking.
Alright guys, I'm here in Massachusetts and I got you guys a special guest.
DIY
Man. He's come here to check out my Hellcat, guys.
Yeah, dude, it's pretty dope, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, this is, it's actually, and it's not just a bolt-on car, you know?
Yeah, man.
It's not a little fender bender. Nah, it's gonna be some real work. Let's do a quick little diagnostic walkthrough for all the body guys out there. Let's go.
Oh.
So actually, yeah, go ahead.
All right, guys, check out this quarter panel. We're gonna pull it out, but Jose says I gotta replace it.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go with him.
Yeah, no, go.
Honestly,
Honestly, it's better to replace it just for the simple fact is, honestly, I think there was either it was Friday at Dodge, and someone was rushing to get home and didn't want to do the quality, but you got a good camera. You know what? You got a better camera than me. Look at this. Come here. Look at this. Just look at this angle and look at this paint job. No, hold on. Let me run camera 2 seconds. Hold on. I got camera. Let me run camera. If you guys can't see that by now, look at this side, right? Look at. No, stand right there. It's perfect. Cause,
oh, okay. You see my reflection?
yeah, no, like, hold on. Stand. Come a little bit. Right there. Stop. Look at how much clearer you can see him there, and then look at that right there. Do you guys see that? Look how much clearer. Like, so it's definitely a big difference as far as someone either it was Friday and the quality control person decided they wanted to go home and they were just mad at the boss, or someone repaired this panel before. So, you know, I was talking to him and I was telling him, like, dude, you know what? It's better. Just pull it. They got the talent. They could do it. Pull it and replace it, you know, and it's that simple, you know. If it wasn't worked on, you could pull it and, you know, if your metal work is good, like Arthur Tussick. Shout out to Arthur, man. That guy's a beast. That's one of my freaking role models in past years. But, you know, it's better just replace it. It's smarter. So, but yeah, so ongoing, replacing this, and I think it looks straight, but you got to get on the frame machine first to actually do real testing. But from down here, it does look straight, but this bar looks bent.
That corner.
Yeah, that corner. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, you can definitely see. Okay. Yeah. But I guess once you guys get it completely tore down, because that's why you need to tear it down to be able to see the inside structure. But dude, yeah. So is it smashed on the other side too?
Yeah.
Ooh, double smash, even better. A rear end clip.
Wide body? Should I go wide body on it? Like,
Dude, I'm gonna go wide body. Go wide body.
Yeah.
Go wide body.
Yeah.
This side is nowhere near as bad, but still, yeah, you definitely. See, this orange feels better. See, this you can tell this is factory.
Look at that. I stole some Copart, man.
Damn. You know what? Someone that had a V6 stole this.
Just to make it look like
Fake Hellcat. At least all the cooling system, all that.
Yeah, you guys got pretty much all this. Yeah, you're gonna have to. Yeah, that's gonna have to get changed. But dude, this is a nice.
And we got 2 red keys.
And you got 2. See, that was funny because yeah, the guy that I had that I spoke with, because I thought it only came with 1, but the guy that I actually did the interview with, he had the second red key, but the dealer he bought it from, the guy had a Hellcat 2, and he thought it was his. So he sent him the other second red key, and I'm like, damn, dude, like, I'm missing out on my red key, but it's alright though, because it doesn't matter, because now I got a whole electrical system with the red key, so I don't have to worry about any of that. Can we get a money shot? Can I see the motor? Dude, I see the motor. Dude, this is
nice. It looks all stock though.
Yeah, no, I don't care. Dude, it's still 700 horsepower of stock.
Yeah, guess how many miles on this one? 17,000.
brand spanking new.
It's like nothing.
That's nothing at all, bro. Like, isn't that cheap? Like that's less miles than pretty much
Anybody's.
well, I got 8,000 on mine. I got 2 beat. But no, besides that though, no, you guys do got, yo, listen, I don't care. You guys got a dope color, and that's still a steal for the mileage. Like and you guys are gonna have plenty of work, which is honestly like that's gonna
We're
be dope.
excited, yeah.
Yeah, no, this is real work. This is any car guy's dream. Like to be able to work on these cars is.
Yeah, we're looking professionally not to get airbag damage for the dash.
That was, yeah, that's a plus, because like, I'm gonna have to tear into, I have to find an airbag. I mean, I'm gonna have to find a dash, a seat, you know. How about you guys just give me that one? I'm just joking. I'm joking. All right, let's get down here, you guys. But yeah, you guys, so pretty much, yeah, man, hanging out with these guys, man. They definitely know what they're doing. I can't wait to see it. I'm subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, like, share, subscribe to the Nico Bros. DIY Gang extended family now. Let's get it.
Yeah,
So no, but yeah, no, dude, I'm really excited, man. Now you got me.
Well,
Man,
I'll come up,
energized.
come up here again.
Oh, dude, definitely. Oh yeah, dude,
Check it
definitely.
out,
That's gonna be epic, bro. Like, I swear, I'm gonna do once I get my car running and driving and get it done. I should do like a nationwide
Car drive-through.
Like these guys out. This guy is mad chill.
You're pretty chill.
Dude, listen.
Family.
It's a car community, you know.
guys
Shout out
stick
to all the
together.
chill car community people, and to the ones that don't want to be chill. Then you know, I don't know what to say to you guys. Just, I don't know. Get your head out of the clouds, I guess. I don't know. Freaking.
There you go. Tell them.
Yeah, they get your head out of the clouds, bro. Like we're all the same at the end of the day. We just love working on cars. So, but yeah, man. It was a pleasure, bro. I gotta take off. You guys, it is freaking cold.
It's cold. I'm
Like,
shivering.
I see him shaking. His neck is like, he's like, I see him.
We're used to like
yeah, I know.
65,
Yeah,
70,
I know. When I was in Florida for those days and it was like 50 degrees, they're like, dude, it's freezing. I'm like, dude, it's like 2 degrees in Connecticut right now. What are you talking about? So, you know.
Heck yeah.
But you guys, we're gonna sign off because we gotta just finish chit-chatting real quick, and we'll see you guys later. So, peace.
There you go.
2019, the takeover. I gotta go back on there. The takeover.
All right, guys, we're still here. We're trying to fix the truck. Got a little DPF issue, so we got some parts coming right now. Hopefully get it running and get it back on the road. All right, guys, after about a couple hours of tedious and fun work, we got that sensor replaced. Got some tools, and a big shout out to Leo, the Volkswagen guy. He helped me out get this thing done, so we're gonna get back on the road and get back in town. All right, guys, I got back in town really early this morning. I went home, took a little nap, and then I'm back here at the shop. So I'm ready to unload this car and this boat, but I had to give Michael a call. What's up, guys? Finally, he's here. He's gonna help us. Let's get these cars unloaded, or the car and the boat. Michael, what do you think?
That's nice. I like the color. Not gonna lie, it's
You
pretty
like the
cool.
color?
Oh yeah. So this is gonna be the fastest car
We've had.
I've ever had. Yeah, for sure. I'm excited.
And look at this.
Can't wait to drive it.
Only roof airbag damage and seatbelt. No dash, no steering wheel, no knee airbag. And it has 3 keys, Michael.
Nice.
We got 2 red keys, one for you, one for me. And then we got the little key for somebody else.
It's not too bad. Body damage.
But let's get unloaded and we'll look at it.
unloaded off the trailer safely. I'm really happy about that. So I got the red key. Want to get it started. Can't wait to hear it, what it feels like. All right, first time, let's do it.
Put a jump box on it.
Yeah.
Look at the jump box. I'm gonna open the hood. Look at that, V8.
It's ready to drive Copart, so. Iaai, my bad, Iaai.
It was listed as a run and drive, so it should start no problem. We'll check the oil, just double check. Here's the oil. We are good.
All right, let's do it. Look at that.
And the coolant has coolant in there, so we're good there.
Yeah.
It just looks like this one's not there. So we'll have to check that out. We won't let it run long. All right, get in there. You excited?
I am excited.
This nicer than the Mustang?
I think so.
All right, let me back on to see the start. All right, go for it. Forward a little bit. Alright, turn it off. Woo-wee. Heck yeah.
Start right up, 17,000 miles on it. This thing's brand new. Nice.
And no airbag damage on the dash.
Yeah, we just got that curtain. That's not so bad though.
One seatbelt.
I mean, it's really not that bad.
We are excited.
Nice.
Unfortunately, it looks all stock, no aftermarket parts.
But hey, at least it's the right engine inside. You know, you never know what you get sometimes in the auction. So hey.
And his collar.
Yeah, that's nice.
What do you guys think about his collar?
Interior looks great.
Yeah, the interior looks really nice.
Looks clean up,
brand new.
Yeah, for sure. 17,000 miles on it.
And we got 2 red keys. That's awesome.
Yeah, these things are nice. 700 some horsepower.
Heck yeah.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. There's a lot undone. My brother had an adventure getting this thing over here, but I'm just super happy. It started right up. There's actually no check engine light on it at all. 17,000 miles. That's fantastic. I'm really excited about it.
We're really excited. It's gonna be fun repairing this one. And I think I'm gonna make Michael do most of the work this time, guys. Make him do the framework. Make him paint.
I'll do the mechanical work. That's
Come
fine.
on,
No
let's
problem.
try
I'll
it.
take it apart, put the new parts on. You got the other stuff. You're the artist.
Also, special thanks to Jose, a DIY guy.
Good.
Man, it was great to meet you.
Let's see how it goes. All right, guys, make sure to leave us a comment what you think. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Follow us along, and we'll get this thing done.
All right, guys, all you have to do is comment Hellcat to win one of these signs. We're gonna give away 3.